Here's another Grand National turbo that we did an upgrade for. This one, I guess it's some kind of precision turbo upgrade that they had for the Grand National. And then we took this compressor housing and machined it out for a 66.3 millimeter compressor wheel, and that's by 84, so it's very similar to the T67 compressor wheel. And we converted it to ball bearing, the Gt35r ball bearing cartridge, and then we also used our 67 millimeter turbine wheel in it. So far we have a turbo that's on a BMW that is the same as this, besides the compressor housing is, I think, an anti-surge precision 6262, but to give you an idea horsepower wise what this other turbo is capable of that is very similar to this turbo is somebody made a little over 700 horsepower on this setup right here, 24 pounds of boost. So good recap, 67 millimeter turbine by 76. This is a custom turbine that we had made. The compressor wheel is similar to a T67, and then we converted it to a ball bearing cartridge. It's very compact because of the ball bearing cartridge, so it moves in a little bit, which also is good for giving you more space in the engine bay. If you want to see more videos of turbo upgrades that we did like this, you can browse my channel, and you could also email us if you want to request that we do a build for you. This one is I think it's the second one we've done in the version for the Grand National. The other one was a Turbonetics. Mainly why we convert them over to this or something like this is because a lot of times you just can't get the parts for, like, a good example was one that we did recently, which was pretty much the same thing that I'm holding, but it was a big shaft Turbonetics. I think it was a single ball bearing, so getting the parts wasn't an option. So the only way to fix that was for us to convert it over to this setup right here.